Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic motherboard showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the mighty GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe, and in the right corner, we have the budget-friendly GIGABYTE B550M AM4. Get ready to witness the clash of the titans. Let's kick things off with the most important category, price. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe comes in at a price of $289, while the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 steals the show with a jaw-dropping price of just $99. Now, that's what I call a budget-friendly champion. Moving on to socket compatibility. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe supports the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, making it future-proof for all your gaming needs. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 supports the AMD Ryzen 5000 series, Ryzen 4000G series, Ryzen 3000 series, and even the Ryzen 5000G series processors. It's like a motherboard that can do the Macarena. Let's talk memory, shall we? The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe is DDR5 compatible, offering you lightning-fast memory speeds with 4 SMD DIMMs. It's like having a Formula One car for your RAM. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 is DDR4 compatible, providing dual-channel ECC or non-ECC unbuffered DDR4 support. It may not be as flashy as DDR5, but it gets the job done. Time to dive into power design. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe boasts a commanding 16+2+2 phases digital VRM solution, ensuring stable power delivery even during the most intense gaming sessions. And hold on to your hats, folks, because it also comes with an 8-layer 2X copper PCB for superior heat dissipation. That's some serious power-packed goodness right there. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 features a sturdy 4+2 phases digital twin power design with low RDS on MOSFETs. It may not have as many phases as its competitor, but it still packs a punch. Let's talk connectivity, my friends. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe is all about that next-gen connectivity. With PCIe 5.0 support, quad NVMe X4 M.2 slots, USB-C, and Bluetooth 5.2, it's like having a motherboard from the future. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 offers PCIe 4.0 X16 slots, dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 or 3.0 X4 M.2 connectors, and a Realtek GBE LAN chip. It may not be as futuristic, but it still gets the job done. Last but not least, let's take a look at the additional features that make these motherboards stand out. The GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe comes with an M2 EZ-Latch design, making it a breeze to install and remove M.2 connectors. Plus, it offers fast networking with 2.5 GBE LAN and AMD Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax. And let's not forget about the dynamic audio with its 8-channel HD audio noise guard, and high-end audio capacitors. It's like having a symphony in your PC. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 brings you fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips, smart Fan 5 technology, and the convenience of Q-Flash Plus for BIOS updates without the need for CPU, memory, and GPU installation. Talk about a motherboard that's smart and savvy. Based on online reviews, the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite Axe has been praised for its performance, build quality, and compatibility. Reviewers mention that it works well with high-end components and provides stable power delivery. However, some users had issues with compatibility and BIOS updates. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 has received positive feedback for its affordability, ease of installation, and good performance. Reviewers appreciated its compatibility with different processors and the presence of multiple M.2 slots. However, there were a few complaints about missing advertised features and poor user-friendliness. And there you have it, folks. The epic battle between the GIGABYTE X670 AORUS Elite AX and the GIGABYTE B550M KAM4. Both motherboards have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. If you're looking for top-of-the-line performance and future-proofing, the X670 AORUS Elite AX is your go-to. But if you're a budget-conscious gamer who still wants a reliable and feature-packed motherboard, the B550M KAM4 is a steal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic comparison like this one. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.